Morning, everyone. Today is February 26, 2025, and welcome to our big conference this morning for the for the 15 infra projects. But before we officially start our big conference, may I request everyone to please stand up for the opening prayer. We would like to ask by something. Associates, and against us. But bring us to the test to deliver us from evil. Now take your seat. Good morning once again. At this point in time, we acknowledge the presence of all the attendees for this period conference. To start with, yours truly, your Dr. Mota, your bank chairperson, and with us here are the following: our bank vice chairperson, our bank vice chairperson, Chief Alsos Enriquez. Morning. Our regular bank members, we have here Engineer Jocelyn F. Orfolio. Good morning, Ma'am. We also have here Chief Leandro Carpio Jr. Good morning. And Engineer Zebeda Guria. Good morning. We also have here our provisional bank member, Engineer Alvin Tanya. Good morning. Good morning. So today the number of the bank members attending this global conference we have to declare that we have a quorum. We also acknowledge the presence of our head of the technical working group, Engineer Aljoy Julio. Morning. And of course, the members of our secretariat group. We have here Ms. Aljean. Morning. And to discuss to us the details of the scope of work, we have our technical staff from the planning and design section, namely Engineer Briggs, morning, Engineer Nika, and morning, Engineer Andre. Morning. So to all our online viewers, especially to our interested leaders or contractors, welcome to this private conference. So the next part of this private conference is the discussion on the agenda. So our private agenda, of course, it will include the brief presentation and explanation to the back of the following: the basic contract data, including the contract description, the ABC and duration, the requirements of bidding documents, including the instruction to bidders, the general conditions of the contract, special conditions of contract specifications, drawings, bill of quantities, and forms. Also, the documents to be submitted by the bidders that should compose of the technical proposal that should contain applicable special GB license, if applicable. Within security, the authority of signing official, the organizational chart for the contract, contractor certification of key personnel, the list of major equipment, the omnibus form statement required in RA 9184, and also the financial proposal that should contain the bid form, the bid prices, and the bill of quantities, the legal estimation and cash flow, and also the criteria and procedure for the eligibility check, the preliminary examination of bids, the legal evaluation of bids, the post-qualification and award. Also, if there are questions, comments from the bidders, we should have the replies of the bank and other representatives of the procuring entity. And if the need arises, we will be also discussing other matters. The summary proceedings, including supplemental bid bulletins to be issued. At this point in time, we now go to the discussion of the scope of work per contract. And to start with, under contract ID 25HO 0157, This contract is primarily designed by Engineer Stan, but on behalf of Engineer Stan, Engineer Andre will discuss the scope of work as posted.
Hello, good morning, everyone. I will be discussing the project with contract ID number 25HO0145 with a contract name of Convergence and Special Support Program Sustainable Infrastructure Projects Alleviating Gaps, access roads and or bridges from the national roads leading to major / strategic public or facilities, construction of road at Barangay Kanyuko to Barangay Tubod, Bitoon, Package 2, Dumanjug, Cebu. So the project is located in Dumanjug, Cebu. It has an ABC amount of 144,750,000 pesos. The project consists of a road opening of a 2.224 lane kilometer, 4-lane road with concrete and stone masonry works. The contract duration is 341 calendar days. This project will be subject to bid bulletin. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Engineer Andre. So now move forward to the next contract under 25HO0146. And this project is Engineer Andre. Yeah, please. Go ahead.
Hello, good morning again. I'll be discussing the project with contract ID 25HO0146 with a project name of Convergence and Special Support Program Sustainable Infrastructure Projects Alleviating Gaps, access roads and or bridges from the national roads leading to major or strategic public buildings or facilities. Construction of roads at Barangay Bulak to Barangay Doldol, Dumanjug, Cebu, Phase 2. So the project is located in Dumanjug, Cebu. It has an ABC amount of 144,749,993 and 87 cents. The project consists of concreting of local road consisting of 6.18 lane kilometers with a width of 3.05 meters per lane and a shoulder of 0.5 meters per lane and 280 millimeter thick PCCP. The contract duration is 341 calendar days. This project it will be subjected to bid bulletin. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Engineer Andre. So now move forward to the next contract under 25HO0147, and this project is being designed by Engineer C. On behalf of Engineer C, Engineer Andre, take us please.
Good morning. I'll be discussing a project with the contract number ID 35HO0147 with a contract name of Convergence and Special Support Program Sustainable Infrastructure Project Alleviating Gaps, access roads and or bridges from the national roads leading to major or strategic public buildings or facilities. Construction of road Barangay Tubod, Duguan, Barangay Bulak, Dumanjug, Cebu, Phase 1. So the project is located in Dumanjug, Cebu. It has an ABC amount of 144,750,000 pesos. The project consists of a road opening of a 670-meter 4-lane road. The items of work consist of concreting of PCCP and stone masonry works. The project duration is 375 calendar days. This project will be subjected to bid bulletin. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Engineer Andre. Please be advised the project duration based on the posted information is 375 hours a year. Can you double check the computation of this project duration? I guess majority of our road opening projects has 341 calendar days. Yeah. Please advise the original designer. Please take down this. Okay, we now proceed to the next contract under 25HO 0148. This project is original designed by Engineer Janelle. We have Engineer Janelle, we have here Steel Engineer Andrew to discuss the details.
Good morning, everyone. I will be discussing once again project with the contract ID 25HO 0148 with a project name of Convergence and Special Support Program, Sustainable Infrastructure Projects Alleviating Gaps, Access Roads and/or bridges from the national roads leading to major or strategic public buildings or facilities. Construction of road, Barangay Bulak to Barangay Duguan, Dumanjug, Cebu. The project is located in Dumanjog, Cebu. It has an ABC amount of 144,749,986.76. The project consists of the construction of 400 meters length of PCCP. The contract duration is 341 calendar days, and this project will be subjected to bid bulletin. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Engineer Andrew. So we now move forward to the next contract under 25HO 0149. This project is being designed by Engineer Pat. We have Engineer Pat, Steel, Engineer Andrew will take this place.
Good morning. Once again, I'll be discussing the project with contract ID 25HO 0149 with the project name of Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, Access Roads and/or bridges from the national roads leading to major or strategic public buildings or facilities. Construction of Barangay Cantantas to Barangay Kapalog Road, Dumanjog, Cebu. The project is located in Dumanjog, Cebu. It has an ABC amount of 148,499,982.65. The project is a construction of a 3.556 lane kilometer road consisting of 4 lanes with PCCP and with slope protection structures. The duration of the project is 341 calendar days. This project is subject to bid bulletin. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And let's moving forward to the next contract under 25HO 0150. This project is being designed by Engineer Sharmay. And we have Engineer Sharmay, Engineer Andre will take it from place.
Okay. I will be discussing the project with contract ID 25HO 0150 with a project name of Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, Flood Mitigation Structures Protecting Major or Strategic Public Buildings or Facilities. Construction of seawall protection structure along Santander Barili Toledo Road at Sitio Mandagom, Barangay Matutino, Badian, Cebu. The project is located in Badian, Cebu. It has an ABC amount of 148,499,995.77. The project is the construction of 218 linear meter seawall with concrete sheet foundation. The height of the structure is varying from 5 meters to 8 meters, and it consists of road component with a length of 0.218 lane kilometers and composed with subgrade preparation and aggregate sub-base course and overlay with PCCP 300 millimeters thick. The duration of the project is 330 calendar days, and this project will be subjected to bid bulletin. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Engineer Andre. So now move forward to the next contract under 25HO 0151. And this project is being designed by Engineer Blake. So Blake, please take the floor.
Thank you, sir. So good morning, everyone. I will be discussing contract ID 25HO 0151 under the contract name Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, BIP, flood mitigation structures protecting major or strategic public buildings or facilities, construction of seawall protection structure along Santander Valley Toledo Road at Sitio Bulak, Barangay Duguan, Natilan, Cebu. So this project is located at Natilan, Cebu, and it has an ABC amount of 148,499,998 pesos and 88 centavos. This project is funded under FY 2025 GAAN and a project duration of 330 calendar days. So this project is a construction of 156 linear meters seawall with concrete sheet pile foundation. This project also includes the procurement of vehicle, and the height of the stone masonry is 5 meters. So this project also includes the construction of PCCP, and it is subjected to sustainability for the finalization of activities.
Right, thank you so much, Engineer Vic. So moving forward to the next contract under 25HO0152. And this contract or project is being designed by Engineer Mark. We have Engineer Mark, go back to Engineer Vic.
Thank you, sir. So for contract ID 25HO0152, under the contract name Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, BIP, flood mitigation structures protecting major or strategic public buildings and facilities, construction of seawall protection structure at Alleviating, Cebu. So this project has an ABC amount of 98,999,993 pesos and 15 centavos, funded under FY 2025 GAA, total project duration of 307 calendar days. So this project is a construction of 130 linear meter seawall protection with concrete sheet foundation at the 430 lane kilometer road. So this project is subjected to sustainability for the realization of activities. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Engineer Vic. So now move forward to the next contract under 25HO0153, originally designed by Engineer Anna. On behalf of Engineer Anna, we have here Engineer Vic again.
So for contract ID 25HO153, under the contract name Convergence and Social Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, BIP, flood mitigation structures protecting major or strategic public buildings or facilities, construction of revetment wall at Sitio right side, Barangay Mesa, Alleviating, Cebu. So this project has an ABC amount of 98,999,979 pesos and 80 centavos, funded under FY 2025 GAA. This project is a construction of a revenant wall and it is still subjected to supplemental reporting for the organization of politics. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Engineer Vic. Now move forward to the next contract under 25HO0154. 154. And this project is being designed by Engineer Nika. So Engineer Nika will take the floor to discuss the details.
Good morning, everyone. Project 2024, identified HO0154, Convergence and Special Support Program to Sustainable Infrastructure Projects and Leading Labs, SIPAG, flood control mitigation structure, protecting major strategic public buildings / facilities, construction of revetment wall along Alleviating River downstream website, Barangay Bitoon, Alleviating, Cebu, with an ABC amount of 72,374,940.42 cents. The main components of this project is concrete slopes, stone masonry, and piles. This project is subject for supplemental building due to the changes in quantity. And the duration of project is 263 calendar days. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Engineer Nika. So now move forward to the next contract under WHO0155. The contract is being designed by Engineer Inso. So we have here Engineer Briggs to discuss the scope of work.
Thank you, sir. So for the HO0155, under the contract name Convergence and Special Support Program, sustainable infrastructure projects, alleviating gaps, CPAG, flood mitigation structures, protecting major and strategic public buildings and facilities, construction of slope protection structure, DPWH Cebu 7th DEO compound, Barangay Dumanjug, Cebu. So this project has an ABC amount of 48,999,929 pesos and 77 centavos. Funded under FY 2025 GAA and a total project duration of 219 calendar days. This project is a construction of 191 linear meters concrete road with slope protection structures. This project is subjected to supplemental proposals for the conversation of activities. Thank you.
Thanks so much, Engineer Vic. So now move forward to the last contract of activities to be discussed this morning, number 25 HRC 156. Regional design by Engineer Nito, and on behalf of Engineer Nito, we have here again Engineer Vic to discuss this overall.
Thank you, sir. So for contract ID 35H 156, under the contract name Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, BIP, Public Water Supply System, Construction of Solar Water System, Barangay Loan, Dumanjug, Cebu. So this project has an ABC amount of 12,869,928 pesos and 56 centavos, funded under FY 2025 and a total project duration of 90 calendar days. So this project is a construction of 3,145 meters public water system powered with solar panel. So this project is a subjected to a supplemental reporting for the realization of this.
And thank you so much, Engineer Vic. So that concludes the discussion of the scope of work for the 15 contracts scheduled for bidding on March 11, 2025. This point in time, we now move forward to the discussion of the instruction to bidders, and I request Chief Doc to discuss the instruction to bidders, please.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Now we discuss instructions to leaders. Number one, prospective leaders will be registered with and classified by the Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board or PICAB, with PICAB license applicable to the type and cost of this contract. Contractors or applicants who wish to participate in this bidding are encouraged to enroll in the DPWH Civil Works Application of CWE at the DPWH Procurement Service, Big Floor, DPWH Building, Verification Drive, Port Area, Manila. While is already enrolled, shall keep the record current and updated. Contractors' eligibility to bid on the project will be determined using the DPWH contractor profile, eligibility process of CPE, and subjected to further cost qualification. Information on registration can be obtained from the PRS during working weekdays from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. or at the DPWH website www.dpwh.gov.ph. Bidding will be conducted through open competitive bidding procedures using non-discretionary or pass or fail criterion as specified in the 2016 revised implementing rules and regulations of IRR of Republic Act number 9184. Interested bidders may obtain further information and inspect the bidding documents at DPWH Cebu 7th DEO, Dumanjug, Cebu from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. A complete set of bidding documents will be acquired by interested bidders from February 19, 2025 to March 11, 2025 from DPWH Cebu 7th DEO, Dumanjug, Cebu, and upon payment of the applicable fee for the bidding documents pursuant to the latest guidelines issued by the GPTB. The bidding documents will also be downloaded from free of charge from the website of the Philippine Government Electronic Procurement System of PHEBS and the website of the procuring entity, provided that the bidders shall pay the applicable fee for the bidding documents not later than the submission of their bids. Bid submission may be done manually or electronically online. However, bidders should only select one mode of submission either manual or electronic. Similar to manual submission, the guidelines for the preparation and submission of an electronic bids are contained in BDS ITB Class 7. Bid must be duly received by the Bank Secretariat for manual submission or at DPWH Cebu 7th DEO at Dumanjug, Cebu. Electronic bids underscore Cebu 7 at dpwh.gov.ph for electronic submission on or before March 11, 2025, 10 a.m. Late bids shall not be accepted. All bids must be accompanied by a bid security in any of the acceptable forms and in the amount stated in ITB Class 16. Bid opening shall be on March 11, 2025 at 10 a.m. immediately after the tentative dropping of bids at the second floor conference hall at DPWH Cebu 7th DEO at Dumanjug, Cebu, and or through YouTube live stream. Bids will be opened in the presence of the bidder's representative who choose to attend at the address above stated. The DPWH Cebu 7th DEO reserve the right to reject any and all bids, declare a failure of biddings, or not award the contract at any time prior to the contract award in accordance with Section 35.6 and 41 of the 2016 Revised Implementing Rules and Regulations of IRR of RA number 9184, without thereby incurring any liability to the affected bidder or bidders. As per Department Order number 1270 of 2018, states that if at the time of the post-qualification procedure, the bank verifies that any of the deficiencies is due to the contractor's fault or deficiencies pursuant to 34.3 B2C of the 2016 revised IRR of 9184, the procuring entity shall disqualify the contractor from the award without any right to reimburse fee and incidental cost paid for the procurement of infrastructure contract subject of the bid. For further information, please refer to the Engineer Rosemary C. Tan, Procurement Head at DPWH Cebu 7th District Engineering Office at Dumanjug, Cebu, with email address procurement.cebu7@gmail.com. You may visit the following websites. For downloading of bidding documents, you may visit www.dpwh.gov.ph and www.philgems.gov.ph. For online bid submission, you can submit your email electronic bids at _cebu7@dpwh.gov.ph. For the technical requirements, bid security in a prescribed form, amount and validity period. Acceptable form. 1. Cash or cashier's manager checks issued by Universal or Commercial Bank with minimum amount of 2% of ABC. 2. Bank draft or guarantee or irrevocable letter or credit issued by the Universal or Commercial Bank used from DPWH INFR 10 or 11, the minimum amount is 2% of ABC. Surety bond, callable on demand issued by surety or insurance company duly certified by the Insurance Commission as authorized to issue such security is a minimum amount of 5% of the ABC. Therefore, bid security declaration. Eligibility requirements under Section 23.1 of the IRR. Section 23.1. For the purpose of determining the eligibility of bidders using the criteria stated in the Section 23.4 of this IRR, only the following documents shall be required by the BAC using the forms prescribed in the bidding documents. For the technical components of envelopes for the Class A documents, the legal documents, valid field job registration certificate or platinum membership, all pages, or registration certificate from Securities and Exchange Commissions, Department of Trade and Industry for sole proprietorship or cooperative development authority for cooperative or its equivalent documents, and mayors or business permit issued by the city of municipality where the principal place at business of the prospective bidders is located, or the equivalent document for exclusive economic zones or areas. And tax clearance per EO number 398 series of 2005 as finally reviewed and approved by the Bureau of Internal Revenue. For the technical documents, statement of the prospective bidders of all its ongoing government and private contracts, including the contracts awarded but not yet started, if any, whether similar or not similar in nature and complexity to the contract to be bid. Statement of the bidder's singular completed contract or SLTC, similar to contract to be bid, except under condition provided under the rules. And Philippine Contractor Application for the pickup license or special pickup license in case of joint venture and the registration of the type and cost of the contract to be bid. And original copy of the security in the form of surety bond submit also the certification issued by the Insurance Commission or original copy of notarized bid security declaration and project requirement which shall include the following: organizational charts for the contractor to be bid, list of contractors, key personnel, some project manager, project engineers, materials engineers, and foreman to be assigned to the contract to be bid with their complete qualification and experience data. List of contractors making equipment units which are owned, leased, and or under purchase agreements supported by a proof of ownership of the, or certification of availability of equipment from the equipment lessor vendor for the duration of the project as the case may be, and original duly signed omnibus statement. And if applicable, original notarized secretary certificate in case of a corporation, partnership, or cooperative, or original special power of attorney of all members of the joint venture giving full power and authority to its officer to sign the OSS and to act to represent the bidder. For financial documents, the prospective bidders audited financial statement showing among the others the prospective bidders total and current asset and liabilities stamp received by the BIR due and credited by the economic institution for the preceding calendar year which should not be earlier than 2 years from the date of bid submission, and the prospective bidders competition of net financial contracting capacity of NFCC. If applicable, duly signed to agreement, JP in accordance with the RA number 4566 and its IRM is the joint ventures already in existence, or duly notarized statement from all the potential joint venture partners stating that they will enter into and abide by the provision of the joint venture agreement in an instant that the bid is successful. Bidders shall submit one original and one copy of the first technical and second financial components of its bid. For bids to be submitted electronically or online, the following procedure should be observed following DO number 87 series of 2020. In case a prospective bidders originally intend to join the bidding as the joint venture refers as original bidder has been issued an official receipt of purchase of bidding document and has submitted the electronic official receipt, but eventually decided to join the bidding with two members or as individual contractors referred as the group bidders or vice versa the group bidder should purchase a new bidding documents to be issued with the corresponding official receipt in their name and submit an electronic official receipt following the same procedures.
All right,
Mr. Chair.
thank you so much, Chief Bro, for the well discussed instruction to leaders. And at this point in time, may we hear any comments, questions, clarifications, or suggestions coming from all our attendees, especially those interested contractors that there are? Via online, there's none. How about here in the office? There's no question. So, we will hereby this public conference adjourned, and thank you so much everyone for coming and happy lunchtime.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.